What does compensation for pain and suffering mean? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and that's a question I get quite often. Compensation for pain and suffering really just means that that's what lawyers would call general damages, or damages for non-monetary loss. In other words, it's not for lost wages, it's not for medical bills. It is non-monetary loss, and a good example of it would be loss that you might suffer from disfigurement, or loss of the pleasures of life, or time you spend in a hospital, something like that. And it's usually divided into three categories to justify it. Category number one would be for pain and suffering damages, would be to bring the individual, the injured individual, back whole, to make him like he was before. To compensate him for his loss of use of some body part or something like that would be an example. To make him whole, in other words. Item number two would be to incentivize due care, or said another way, it would be to make wrongdoers pay attention, to exercise due care, to give them an incentive, knowing that they might suffer this monetary loss. If they injure someone, they would be less likely to do so. That's the theory. Number three, the theory goes along with insurance. Why you buy insurance when you drive, and sometimes some states like Tennessee requires you by law to buy insurance. The purpose of that is to spread the pain and suffering loss across the entire risk pool. In other words, when you drive your car, you don't bear all the risk yourself. If you have insurance, it's borne in part by other people who buy insurance policies, but defendants should pay the cost of their damage, and they should pay attention. Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you've been injured in an accident, I'd love to talk with you about it. Call me right now for a free appointment, or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.